Ah, oh, yep, that's a lot of water. Okay. Whole lot of water.
What are you doing?
I'm unloading the dishwasher because somebody doesn't know how to do that.
I think knowing how to unload the dishwasher is not the problem here.
Why is there water in everything?
We seem to have a different problem.
Oh, there's still some. That is, this is gonna pour everywhere when we pull it out. Spill everywhere. Oh.
I believe in you. You could do
there's
it.
Like electricity back in there. I might get electrocuted.
You're not allowed. On your cake. Dishes in the sink is one thing.
It's dead.
Good?
Yep.
We want dead?
We want dead. Now there's no electricity. And we learned all about browns.
What?
In our last couple videos, didn't we?
No. Wait, yes? I don't know.
You didn't watch them? So we got power coming in. We got this little plastic clip. There we go. Now, the other question is what to do with the water hose. So we got a connection right there.
Yeah.
I am slightly concerned that this is going to make a giant mess when I disconnect this.
How about 7 mason jars?
Here.
Oh, and it's strapped onto the wall right there. Okay. This is aggravating. One of the things I never understood is why we keep so many plastic bags. Let's see if we can find where we connect this water into. Looks like it's right there. Alright, so what we got here, this is the water hose coming in. Over here is the water hose going out. Let's see if you can see that better. Water hose going out. And then this is the little pump. This pump is what has died on us. And I looked it up, and we can get a replacement pump from a third-party manufacturer for like 60 bucks. So I was going to order that. My wife went on Facebook Marketplace and found a new dishwasher and managed to get it for 80. So I said, yeah, that should work. This little doohickey. Why am I doing this? Pretty sure water's gonna go everywhere.
Hey, your GoPro's waterproof.
Do we have a pan? Like a deep pan or something?
How bad is the water going to be?
I don't know. But we're gonna find out. I don't think that'll fit up underneath here.
That's pretty shallow.
Yeah.
How shallow does it have to be?
Well,
You know what I have?
that didn't drip as much as I thought it was going to.
I have a bunch of towels.
Towels are good. Alright.
Just shove a bunch of towels under there.
Towels are good. So let's disconnect this little hosey clampy thingy. Ah, oh, yep, that's a lot of water. Whole lot of water. I'm getting wet now. Hey. Yep.
Something bad is happening!
Where'd that pan go that you had?
In that cabinet. Okay, it's really coming a lot. Here, more sauce.
And that is how you should not disconnect a drain. But hey, there's no more water in the... That was effective. Alright, I think that's plenty. This is perfect. Yep.
So the water that was in the dishwasher did not smell good.
Well, that's true.
We bought a Bissell Crosswave and made a video on it and added an Amazon link. We would make so much.
You think so?
It would pay for itself.
That's probably true. I might have to get you a Bissell Crosswave with my YouTube profits.
Yeah, you make so much.
And this is how you clean up all the water after you remove your dishwasher. This was posted on Marketplace last night at like 10:30, and she messaged the guy, said, "I'll give you $80, pick it up today." And he said, "If it's gone by 3, you can have it." And the guy actually lived right down the road from my dad, so I said, "Can you go pick this up for him?" He said, "Sure thing." It is a Samsung, so it may catch on fire. So keep the...
I feel like fire is better than a sink full of dishes.
At this point, maybe.
You know what? There's some debris in there. I could get it out with a Bissell Crosswave. That was a spider. Well, a dead spider.
Over there, I'll have to figure out how to get that. So I think that connects.
There's some water on my rug.
Up here.
And if I had a Bissell Crosswave, it would take care of that. No.
I don't know what to do with this woman.
You know.
Get you a Bissell Crosswave? Is that what you're trying to tell me? I'll have to slide this guy back just a little bit so we can get this connected. Alright.
Don't get electrocuted.
I can't get electrocuted. I turned the electrocution off.
I wouldn't put it past you.
Alright, like that. Okay. Don't know 100% what I'm doing here, but we're gonna...
Oh, you're not in. Don't break my new dishwasher!
Of course. I think it just does this number. Oh, like that. So, black
Food.
goes to black.
You've had dinner and it's past bedtime, so we're not gonna do anything. Doing some milk.
And white goes to white. That one will hold. There it goes. Now watch.
Did you make it level? Mostly level?
As level as it's gonna be. Now we'll turn on some water. Listen for water leaking.
There's no electricity.
No, not yet. We're listening for water leaking.
No. Seems dry.
Okay. I don't know. Auto, normal, heavy, express, high temp, sanitize, heat dry. It's very quiet.
I like that. We normally can't sleep.
Do you want to let it do a cycle and see if it leaks? Or do you just want to go for it?
Then it'd be really late, like to have her be doing the dishes. What'd you do? Is that okay? You scared me.
I hope so. Leave me. Leave me alone. Go on.
Go.
Go. Get out of here. Alright, folks. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope that was, at the very least, entertaining.
Worst possible way
This
to replace a
is
dishwasher.
the worst way to replace a dishwasher. But good job getting it for 80 bucks. I'm tired. We got some dishes to do and some kitchen to clean up. Alright. We'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye. Say goodbye, Cole. So I just realized something. I forgot to hook up the drain hose. I just left it in the pot.
Glad you caught it when you did.
That would have been hilarious. I'm not 100% sure what that was.
You realized that before it decided to drain anything?
But that's on there, so hopefully it should work. For real now. Thanks so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.